Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be reacting to Nature Limbo. I've seen a bunch of videos of it on TikTok and people were having mixed feelings about the song, I guess. I found it kind of interesting of some of the content that was being put out, so I'm gonna be reacting to it. I heard bits and snippets of it on TikTok, saw some clips of it, of their choreo thing. Yeah, let's just see. I went down to scroll down the comments and someone said this is arguably the K-popiest feeling song released this year. So what is that gonna sound like? But yeah, let's just get into it. Yeah, don't know anything about this group at all. So going in kind of blind, just a bit blind, but oh, they look like Yoon, bro. Wait, what are they? Is there subtitles? There's none. What is? Oh, they're saying Limbo. Okay. What is? I don't like that sound in the background. The instrumental. Right there, you, Stacy. Hey, okay, that part I see on TikTok. It got fire, kind of. It just changed up. What? That shit went fast. Come on, they gotta do limbo thing again. They gotta do one more time. Here he comes. I gotta see this a live performance. Hey, okay. Oh my goodness, bro. They all kind of gorgeous, bro. Oh, I like this bridge here. Two colors bridge. Dance break, I guess. I don't know. Bro, I could it feels more rock. The instrumental is more rock. I can see maybe Dreamcatcher doing this song or something. Oh, this is so weird right here. This part. It's sped up. Third mini album. Nature Cosmo all existed for human. So okay, that was an interesting song, but not gonna lie, kinda liked it. It does feel like the K-popiest song ever. The choreo, I guess they really wanted to show the Limbo. Yeah, I definitely need to see this on a stage or something. The whole MV, it felt it was really good MV actually. I loved the shots and everything and edits. I'm not an editor or anything, but I mean it seems like I haven't really heard of this group and this company, so I feel the MV wouldn't be that great, but it was pretty decent actually. Nature Limbo, this song's not that bad. I can see why people are saying it was kind of cringe, but I don't think it's cringe. I mean, they just try and portray what the song is trying to say, I guess. But yeah, it was art. But yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that. That was Nature's Limbo. please like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys later.